Wait, you want every parcel you send to be a pleasure, not a source of controversy, because a missing product or the wrong part number is unforgivable. Your customer complains, your team struggles, and you lose time, money, and your reputation. Quite simply, without reliable shipping controls, human error is always an option, and with high volumes, it can end up costing you a lot of money. With Shippingbo, every order is checked before it leaves the warehouse. You define the number of packages per order. You select your package and scan each item with a handheld scanner or PDA. And Shippingbo automatically assigns each product to the right parcel. The result, 0 errors, 0 doubts, and an effortless packing list. Want to plan a multi-piece mailing? We can. Do you want only high carton orders to be checked? You decide. You remain in control of the process in your own image. In concrete terms, this means fewer errors and therefore more satisfied customers. But also fewer disputes, so more time saved. And fewer returns, which means higher margins. And above all, clear tracking of each parcel. You know exactly what's gone where and when. With picking Shippingbo Control, you say goodbye to shipping errors, and you can send every parcel with confidence. Ready to make your shipments more reliable? Discover how picking control can transform your logistics process with Shippingbo. Everyone's talking about efficiency, simplicity, and satisfaction. Shippingbo, a unique language, opportunities everywhere.